All Manipur Medical Students Association Ammsa RIMS has strongly condemned use of tear gas within and around hospital premises. In a statement issued, the association said hospitals are places of healing and care where patients, attendants, healthcare workers and students deserve safe and secure environment. It warned that tear gas shelling near healthcare facilities poses serious risks to vulnerable patients including children, the elderly, pregnant women and those suffering from critical illnesses. Ammsa also raised concern over the presence of heavily armed security personnel and security operations inside healthcare settings. The association stated that such actions create fear among patients and healthcare workers and disrupt normal hospital services. It added that the academic and clinical environment essential for medical education is also adversely affected. Ammsa appealed to authorities concerned to restore peaceful atmosphere conducive to patient care, medical education and public welfare within hospital premises.